Hey Raptor crew! Ever wondered what would happen if a T-Rex tried to bake a cake? Picture this: tiny arms, giant claws, and a mountain of flour. First, T-Rex tries to crack eggs. Whoops, smash them all. Mixing the batter? More like splattering it everywhere. When it's time to decorate, the sprinkles go flying and the frosting ends up on the walls. The oven beeps, but T-Rex can't reach the timer. In the end, the kitchen's a disaster, but the cake looks kinda dynamite. Wanna see Sonic ride a Triceratops? Hit that dino-like button.